Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to share and try on the contents of my quarterly Walmart beauty box. If you're not familiar, it's about $6.97 a month. You get full-sized items, you get sample sizes, all beauty related. It is super fun. I am generally pleased with my box. I pay for it. This is not sponsored. There are different variations, so if you want to see what I got and watch me put it on, then just keep watching. I did cheat and open my box so that I would know what makeup to bring in with me and what makeup is in here. So let's get into it. Here we have the card that Walmart sends to you. Inside, they put the different items that could be in your box. Sometimes there are variations. There's a QR code if you want more information. They tell you a little bit about the product and what the full-size price is. The first item in my box is a little sample pack of the Milani Conceal and Perfect. This is the Blur Out Smoothing Primer, and I do enjoy this product. As a matter of fact, I have the full size. So today I'm going to be using my full size so that I can save this to gift or for travel. The full size retails for about $13.97, which, by the way, everything that I brought in to add to my face, or obviously what's in the box, these can all be purchased at Walmart. I will have everything listed and linked below for your shopping enjoyment. If you choose to shop with those links, I want to thank you so much because I do get a small commission and it helps support me and my channel. So the full size does come with a little scoop, which I appreciate. And this is a very smoothing primer. It's got a very neat texture. It feels really thick, but then when you go to put it on, it thins out. It almost feels cooling and wet. The only thing I have on my face right now is my sunscreen. I did do my brows and my eyes, and I have a little bit of gloss on. And I think it does a really nice job smoothing out what's underneath. It doesn't necessarily mattify my skin, so I do like to follow up with a mattifying powder. But very nice. Happy to have this. The next item is a mascara from Physicians Formula. This is the Mineral Wear Diamond Mascara. Retails for $9.98. I have never tried a Physicians Formula mascara, but I must say the packaging is very pretty. Like that a lot. Let's check out the wand. Let's check it out. I like the small wand. So far, so good. Seems like the formula is not too wet, not too dry. Here are 2 to 3 coats, I would say, and I must say I am impressed. It didn't seem to clump, it just glided through my lashes. I did put it on the bottom, so make sure that you check out the comment section or in the description box. I'll let you know how it wears. The next product is a sample set of the Covergirl Clean Invisible Foundation. 1 fluid ounce, full size, retails for $6.88. And I remember when this came out, I did not try it. So I think that's pretty cool that they gave me some sample packs to play with. Deeper tones and more light to medium tones. I'm gonna try Buff Beige. I'm still testing my brushes from Details by Tati. This is the ES2. Gonna tap this on the back of my hand. Feels like a thinner texture, which I appreciate. Should we try painting? Still not sure how I feel about this whole paintbrush situation. But I'm trying. I don't smell anything. Seems like a medium thickness. I would call it a medium coverage. Not bad on first impression. Let me know Have you tried this foundation? Do you like it? Are you oily like me? For $6.88, it might be worth picking up. I'm back. I went ahead and added the rest of my makeup, and let's move on to the next product because they are beauty, but not makeup. Here we have the OGX Renewing Argan Oil and Moroccan Shampoo, full size, $6.97. It says, repair and strengthen with Argan Oil of Morocco Shampoo. Powerful blend visibly repairs damage and gives you healthy hair in just one wash. This is a nice size. This is 3 ounces. This will be great for travel. Smells really nice. There is no conditioner in the box, which I think is a little bit strange, but that's okay. If I've never told you before, I buy L'Oreal hair dye, and the conditioner that comes in the box is so good and you need so very little that I save all my bottles. When I get a new box of hair dye, I put the new one in my stash and use one that's already open. So this would work perfectly for me. Next we have another hair product. This is from It's a 10. This is the Miracle Leave-In product. And I did look online, and what's nice about this is my favorite kind of leave-in treatment you can use on wet or dry hair. Smells pleasant. So that will definitely get used because I love to refresh my hair with a product like that. It just smooths and fixes the curls, and a pleasant smell definitely helps. This retails for $40 for the 10-ounce size. This is the 2-ounce. 2 more items. The next one is this one from Adidas. This is the Adidas Vibes Eau de Parfum. And there are 6 different mood boosting fragrances and mists. So this is the Energy Drive variation. And I have smelled this, but I'll do it again for you. I think they're going for unisex. It smells very fresh and clean, but to me it smells masculine. I wouldn't wear this, but it is a nice scent. And the last thing that I was happy to see is a little baby makeup eraser. This is the original makeup eraser. Full size is $9.97. If you've ever seen a makeup eraser, the traditional ones, they are much bigger than this. They're probably about this big. This is, I'm guessing, a travel one. But I have many of these and use them all the time. The magical thing about these is that you just wet them and they will take off your makeup gently. I've gotten these for my mother. I purchased them for my sister. I highly recommend them. You can get all different variations of colors, and I have a rainbow of colors in my bathroom stacked. I keep them in my bedroom and my bathroom. This is a great product, and I'm happy that Walmart Beauty Box wanted me to have a sample just in case I didn't know how fabulous they were. So thoughts on the box. I am very happy with what I got. Nice travel primer. I do really enjoy the primer. The mascara I think looks really pretty. I'm liking it. I will continue using that. The foundation, fun to try. I am really liking the way that my complexion looks right now. Let me know in the comments if you've tried this and you think I need to pick up a full size. And I'll leave a comment in the description box to let you know if I am an oily mess by the end of the night. I should have this makeup on at least 7 hours. The It's a 10, love it. The shampoo, great for travel. 2 thumbs up from me. And that is everything. I hope that this was enjoyable for you. Tell me, do you appreciate when I get a subscription box and I try it on? I hope that that is what you want, because I want to see the products being used. So let me know in the comments, would you rather me just stick to a straight unboxing, or do you like me putting them on? Because personally, I like putting them on so that you can see them in action. If you want more information about the Walmart Beauty Box, again, I will have it listed and linked in the description box below, along with all the makeup and items that I received and all the makeup that I put on my face before and in the middle there. It's all down below. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing before you leave. I would love to have you join me. I upload on Mondays and Saturdays. Give the video a thumbs up, and of course, leave me a comment, even if it's just a heart, to let me know you were here. I thank you so much for spending some of your precious time with me today. I'll see you in the next one.